Hello traders, the time in London is now 42 minutes past 2 p.m. and in New York that's 9:42 a.m. Happy trading to you all. The title of this video is Round Forex Trading. In this video we will discuss how we can trade the round bottoms, the round top, okay, when we are trading okay, the forex markets, round forex trading. I hope you like this title, okay, because last time there was a comment on one of our video that we titled something about trading like God, and a gentleman was asking if we ran out of title or not. Well, this is a new one now for you, round forex trading. We are talking about a round, okay, bottom. There's nothing, okay, about real bottom. We are talking about a chart pattern where the price will go from one point. I want trader to pay attention carefully, because if you start trading first, I want trader to remain calm and patient, because I understand traders very well, the frustration, the emotion, and everything. I understand, okay? So when you start trading first, you go through different stages, all right? And these stages are very, very important. And in fact, I think traders should not skip any of that stages, and it's part of their training. All right, let's start it. Well, let's get started. Now we have a round bottom, which means price went down from here and returned back to the same place. This is what we call a round bottom. The price turn around like this. That is a round bottom. If you look carefully, talking about round forex trading, same thing here. Price went down from here. Pay attention carefully to what I'm doing here. Though I make it a bit of fun, sometimes I talk like this, but I'm very serious about it. Alright? Okay, so, and then again, it returned back to the same place. It's happening all the time. All the time. You will see all the time. Now, when we see a tall candle, this video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. It is primarily for the TSTW traders. We want to do it. We want to do it properly. When we see a tall candle, always highlight the range of the tall candle, but do not forget the median line of the tall candle. I've said it many times now, and the median line of this candle that I highlight is somewhere here. So you see this candle here, start from here down to the, I highlight only the body this time. I can go down, okay, let's go down to the body. So from here all the way down here, the median line of this tall candle is very important. The same thing when a price gap up or gaps down, the median line of the gap also is very important. Why? Because like the tall candle is a distorted market move, in most cases, not always, we must highlight, okay, the median line. Same thing when the price gaps up or gaps down, the median line of the gap is also important. So again, from the median line of this tall candle, the price went down like this and changed direction and returned back to the median line again. We are talking about round forex trading, discussing, okay, the round, okay, bottom, the round chart pattern, okay. The inverse is also true, where the price will go up from one point like this, okay, and that's, in that case we'll talk about round top. Sometimes we say inverted head and shoulder pattern, depending on whether we have a resistance or support around the round bottom. You will see you form an inverted head and shoulder pattern, or an inverted round bottom. So you see here, the important is to understand, okay, what the price is trying to do and what has happened, or what causes it, or where the pattern is taking place. So this one is a round top, okay? If you agree, feel free to disagree, all right? All right, so I'm talking about my trading style here, okay? You see here? So when we see a round button like this, we highlight the round button, and I talk about this. This pattern is a powerful pattern for day trading and also for swing trading. So if you are a swing trader, this is one of the patterns you can look for and pay attention to it or learn to master. This pattern also is one of the patterns that the high frequency traders are using on the lower time frame. You see on the 5-minute chart, on the 3-minute chart, as soon as the round button is formed, you see the candle, the price will run fast to the target zone. It's happening all the time. So you want to understand it. That's why we are posting this video here. You can see that I'm in a bit of a good mood now today after taking some time off from the market. Okay, we are back again doing what we are trying to do. Okay, trying to give something back to the market. That's what we are trying to do here. So you see, all right. So from the the bottom of the round bottom to the neckline. The neckline, I need to say something very, very important here. The neckline of a round bottom, of an inverted head and shoulder pattern, of a head and shoulder pattern is a psychological price level. Now I do not need to repeat that. So very important. That's what I would say. So once we measure the distance from here to the neckline, we will project it. That's what's happening here on this hourly chart for the Euro USD. So talking the language of convergence signal, we are approaching a convergence zone. As a day trader, I like convergence signal because it's a setup. One group of a trader will be exiting a trade, another group of trader will be entering a trade. Traders that are exiting the trade will be taking the opposite trade. It happens all the time, and I like that because if you trade stocks, you want high volume, and high volume very often will take place at a convergence zone. This is one here. In fact, just for fun, all right, because it's, pointless to make it boring, all right. So we want traders to enjoy the video also. At the same time, they are learning. Enjoy YouTube, all right. So I want to put a bit of color into it so it's not too boring for you. Alright, yellow won't show up because though yellow is my favorite color, it won't show on this. So I use turquoise in this case. Alright, okay. There are more to this. Okay, fill it with turquoise. That's it. So this is a convergence zone. So that's what we are talking about. Okay, the round Forex trading. Okay, I hope you like that title. And where the price is going around from one place, return back to the same place. And here we are again. And as it was in heaven, so it shall be on the earth. Now, some traders may think that I'm joking here, but this is true. It's something to do with Isaac Newton. And it's happening on the markets. Price did something below. It will do exactly the same thing above. What do I mean by that? So the price went down from here. Turn around here, there is a high chance that what has happened on the earth or below the earth, if you agree, we probably do something like this now, go up to the target zone, and we'll invert, okay, invert the triangle. So you see now, went down like this, there's a high chance you may repeat it on the upper side, in heaven, as it on earth. Just for fun, just to explain to you what is happening. Something that has happened below the neckline is likely to happen above it. That's what we are saying. Doesn't mean that it will definitely do that. That's the theory. But these are things that we work with. That's what we are calling stable data, things that remain intact in the market. And when we see them, that's what we want to work with. But at the end of the day, all right, talking about Elliott wave, all right, talking about Fibonacci, talking about Pitchfork tool, talking about fractal. If we put all them together and we forget everything else, we will remember three things. The price will go in a rising channel, in a declining channel, and also in a horizontal channel. We do not want to forget that. So this is just a quick video about round Forex trading, and it's happening all the time. So I have my line here. So now this zone will become my warning line. Now some trader will say, George, if you come to this level, I will definitely sell. Until you receive a sell signal, do not sell. So as the price approaches the target zone, some aggressive trader will place a trade to sell, but sometimes the price will go above the target zone. And people will say, what's going on? Well, what is going on, I can explain it to you here. Price is going up, the price is looking for a better resistance level. So price reaches the target zone. a lot of aggressive traders start selling. Smart money say, hold on a second, guys. We know we should sell. All right. The same thing happened for the USD yen. And we want to sell the USD yen. Smart money say no, because the central bank in Japan say they want the USD yen to go to 100 level. They push it to 100 zone. And now they start selling it. All right. So this is what's happening all the time. So we don't want to forget this smart money. So this smart money say, George, it's a target zone, but we will prefer to sell, okay, at a better resistance level. So we just acknowledge the resistance above the target zone, knowing that the price can definitely go above the target zone, that it does not have to fulfill our expectation, and we just, okay, watch it until we receive, okay, a buy signal or a sell signal. If the price breaks above the target zone and find support, okay, displaying higher lows are high, definition of uptrend, until, okay, the price will fail to display a new higher high. All we are trying to do here is to, okay, educate traders that are willing to learn and to improve their ability to trade. If you have been trading for some time, for a long period of time, and you are going round, 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 all I can say to you is that traders go to different stages, and all you are going through now is part of the training, okay, to become a better trader. Losing trade will happen, and if they happen, we want to review the trade and understand what has happened so we do not repeat the same mistake over and over. I hope you have enjoyed this video about round forex trading, and we put into use, okay, to make excellent day trading decision. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW traders. Speak to you soon.